I got this 1972 big block Chevy Camaro that's been redone about 12 years ago, from my opinion, with looking at the car. They installed this big 454 motor in it, aluminum heads. You got the Wyland aluminum intake. You got air conditioning, power steering, Wilwood disc brakes, aluminum radiator, Optima battery, MSD ignitions with proportion valves on the brakes, guys. I can go on and on. Yeah. You got these chrome torque thrust wheels that look great on the car. Paint is nice, shows very well. Nice door panels, bucket seats. As you can see, 5-speed manual transmission, upgraded gauges, beautiful dash, nice seats back in front, tight headliner, clean package tray. Guys, this car is ready to hit the streets. I think you guys would like this thing. Sounds awesome. Look at the reflection. What do you guys think so far? Yeah. You think it's got a mild cam in it? Yeah, I think so. 10.5 1 compression, guys. Pump gas, excellent trunk, solid. All around the car, guys. Earth shifter, big block, like I said before. Hoses all been replaced on this bad boy. If you don't like the color stripes, I can make that any color you guys want for a little additional cost. It's not a big deal. So listen, if you need financing, you will need a good credit, okay? Meaning 620 to about a 680. That gets you this thing at about 10% down to the purchase price. Now listen, you can roll in your taxes, you can roll in your delivery charges, but everything's based off your credit profile. For those of you of a credit score of over, let's say 780, I believe that I can get you done with no money down, again, based off credit profile. So I do have that option. If you guys need delivery, call or text me. I do prefer text message. Send me the year, make, model, maybe the stock number if you have it handy, and also your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. My number is 847-848-1850. Let's listen to some sweet, sweet music.